What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So recently down at 5 Bar Motorsports, we had a Factory 5 Cobra Replica in the shop to do some dyno work. Now, a lot of you guys know that these kit Cobras can be ordered many different ways. What makes this one special is that it's got the 427 engine in it, and it's making some pretty good power. Now, the car came into the dyno during our dyno day. We had it in there. I wish I got some more video that I did, but I did get the dyno session. So let me take you over to 5 Bar and let's watch this thing roll on a dyno. All right, everybody, what we got back there is a Factory 5 kit Cobra. She's got a TKO 600 transmission in it. It's got a stroked Windsor engine to 427 cubic inches. It's got Z heads on it. It's got a big cam, and this thing's cranking some power. We don't often see these cars on the dyno, so it should be very interesting to see what this thing puts down. Nice looking car, man. RPM, 5,700. Wow, good numbers. You're looking at about 460 horse on a dyno jet and a really nice torque curve. 423 on the torque, that's pretty good. Another run. Raise the RPM. 134, maybe even more power. I mean, that's about 485 horsepower, really, if you had this thing on a dyno jet. Pretty good numbers. Pretty impressive. Nice car. Well, I got to say, guys, that is one nice Shelby Cobra Replica. These Factory 5 cars are awesome. And like I say, the owner of that car, he ordered it nice, you know, with the TKO 600 transmission and the 427 engine. These cars weigh something like 2,300 pounds, you know, roughly 480 horsepower with the rear wheels. That thing must be insane to drive. Hopefully one day I'll have a chance to drive one. A friend of mine in town, Mark Snakebit, he has one. Maybe we can hook up and we can drive his. And I'll show you his car at the end of the video. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.